Ainiel Unisex 2-Tone Pre-Cut Halloween Cosplay Party Bob. Ainiel Unisex 2-Tone Pre-Cut Halloween Cosplay Party Bob Wigs Short Black Blonde Material Heat Resistant Fiber Packing, 1 Wig CapColor Blonde.Head Circumference 22 In.Occasion Party, Cosplay, or HalloweenActual color of the item might be slightly different from the color showed on the pictures due to the different monitor and light effect. Ainiel Women's Clip-On Ponytail Press-Styled Halloween Cosplay Full. This is pretty much as advertised. It's not a high-grade theater quality wig, but a nice wig that will work for casual use and gives the look needed for Belle in the ballroom scene. It is in 2 pieces, the back fall clips over a smaller ponytail in the back of the wig. The color is almost spot on for Belle's from the movie. Very good item for the price. Scocer Resident Cosplay Evil Leon Kennedy Short Brown Wig. Universal Style Cosplay Wig. Notice, the wig in the picture is styled by the hairstyle designer. When you bought this product, you could style it and make it looks better by yourself. The wig may be squeezed during the trip, but we'll try to protect it well and makes you feel satisfied with it. Care instructions: 1. Wash in cold or lukewarm water. 2. Add a dash of shampoo and wash gently. 3. Rinse thoroughly in cold water. 4. Use metal comb or oxhorn comb. Plastic comb will cause static electricity. 5. Brush wig into desired style after it is completely dry. 6. Enjoy your wig and have fun wearing it. Hot Sexy Adult Schoolgirl Cosplay Halloween Costume Fancy. One size fits XS to M2 PCS. 1 set top skirt size bust waist hips UK and O sizes 0 sizes 2 sizes small 34 36 T 26 28 T 36 38 T 8 10 T 34 36 T 6 8 medium 36 38 T 28 30 T 38 40 T 10 12 T 36 38 T 8 10 larget 38 40 T 30 32 T 40 42 T 12 14 T 38 40 T 10 12 X larget 42 44 T 34 36 T 44 46 T 14 16 T 40 42 T 12 14. Happy Lifer of Furry Fox Ears Foxtail Unisex Adult Fancy. 1 ear, about 5.5 high, 2.3 wide at bottom. There is 1 clip on ears. 2. Tail, about 25 long, about 12.5 for circumference at thickest part. Tie type tail.